League Masters, I'm backing League Masters to like smash it. I'm sorry Kalpit, but उसका टीम देखो यार, पागल पागल टीम है. That is mental team. This is silent Indian team.
Definitely. Definitely, and I have to agree with you. And one interesting thing in Thunder Shiba this time around is they half of their team, 5 of their 11 is like Indian players.
Yeah,
The
does
bells are all set,
LMS.
both teams.
Last time Thunders
MSD,
were opening
LMS.
with Bairstow and Rohit Sharma. अभी Bairstow इधर आ गया. अरे यार, विलियमसन इतना ग्रे क्यों है? Okay.
Williamson
League
has
Masters,
gone
I won
old
the.
after
What are they gonna do? What are they
big
gonna do?
Masters. Come on, come on.
Another
Bat.
bat! Oh yeah. All right,
Yeah.
first ball of the
Here we
second
go.
match. Trent Bolt.
Here we go. First ball. Trent Bolt charging in
Oh, he's gone. No.
into the pads.
वीरेंद्र
They
सहवाग.
don't even appeal.
No. वीरेंद्र सहवाग थोड़ा लेजी. Like, ठीक है. फुटवर्क तो नहीं होगा वीरेंद्र सहवाग का. Come on,
I'm
Viru.
expecting a lot from Purinder Sehwag, I have to say.
First ball 4 होना चाहिए आउट. Shot यार. Viru announces his arrival
that
in
is
style.
the Sehwag we know. Shot. Oh, nice. Not happy. Cole is not happy. Yeah, yeah.
Rishabh Pant. Cover drive waiting.
Oh,
No
my
runs
God.
there. In comes Wasim. Look at the hair. Retro 1980s.
Yeah. Imran Khan, Wasim Akram Irsal. That is in
Oh,
the
hooked
air.
away. It's gonna be out. Out है.
First
He's
ball.
gone.
कौन गया? Sehwag गया.
Pakistan has won the first round, guys. Sehwag is gone, yaar. I mean, that's a good field placement. Good shot भी अच्छा था, but
What a trap, man. What a
trap.
trap.
Yeah, Sehwag is gone for 5 of 4 balls. अरे यार.
That is
LMS.
disappointing. I wanted to see Sehwag.
Let's hope they
Come
pump
on,
it up.
LMS.
Come on, LMS.
LMS.
Oh, आउट हो सकता था वहाँ पे. के फाइनल्स में चले गया. अभी देख कैसे बॉलिंग कर रहा है. That's pulled away. That should be 4. Yeah, that should be 4.
That's Mauli. The Reese. One was edge, I think. Oh, another one. Nice.
Nice shot.
Beautiful. 2 boundaries. Coming back. Oh, hey, no
That's a
ball.
no ball. Free hit. First free hit. Wow. Come on.
That's why I didn't say anything because I
Jinx.
noticed that first 3 balls can go well, and then the next 3 balls you can really like get smashed.
True. इसका hair तो is like extremely opposite.
He has dreadlocks here, man.
Shot, yeah, it's towards deep.
That's one. That's single.
I'm expecting at least 130, man, from LMS. Full shot. Is it in the gap?
Is that a
Single.
That's a single.
Rishabh Pant
Running has been very like
slow है.
have you seen like what they are very careful with the running.
Rishabh.
फिर wide.
नहीं, 4. Wide ball था पर खींच के मार दिया. Coming around the wicket, pulls in the 4. That's gonna be another 4.
Him is like like circular. Then last time वो था. He's gone.
Oh, gone.
Celebrate करने भी नहीं आया जो deep field.
So Kalpit says, Kalpit मेरे stream में था कल, so 45 says
Yeah. Either it's the pitch or that's the only thing that changed. We didn't change much, so.
My 2 righties. Oh, is that no throw? 4. Wow, Christmas is early in August. Wow.
Definitely need to score much faster than how they are. Colton Lyle comes in. That is so true.
Shot, yeah, Rishabh. It's in the gap. 4.
First impressive shot by Rishabh Pant.
Pulled away. That's in the gap.
The timing was a bit off there, though.
Yeah. Arey, look at the running.
Oh, what is this running?
Out. Oh no.
There we go. They hand over that thing, and then the next one starts running. That is
Hooked away. That's 4, yeah. Rishabh Pant is slowly coming back into his groove.
nice glance. Takes 2.
Strategic timeout.
Timeout.
Sunil Narayan next bowler. Nisham after. Rohit Sharma
And
को
that's how we jinxed it.
Sweep shot.
Oh.
Shot, yaar. Another 4, is it? Oh yeah.
Or कोई तो छक्का मार दो.
I'm so desperate here for a 6.
Well,
That's
might
another.
be blocked. Yes. Reverse sweep. I
Oh,
think
gone. He's gone.
Yeah. Kane Williamson gone. Oh.
Shakib.
Have no worries.
President
Lord
sir आ गए.
Shakib is-
President.
Wait. I think AI did this magic. Oh man, I don't know why. I feel that the League Masters have conceded more. Like they have more dots than Hellboys and Coders both.
टू
What
टू
is this
आउट है
running,
यार,
dude?
आउट है डायरेक्टेड कैमरा भी कट हो गया.
यहाँ
ये
पे it's clear.
क्या इज
Oh,
इट.
Lord is gone. President is gone, man.
President is gone. Reactions. Shot यार. Straight down the
Is that a
ground.
six?
No
Is that a
यार.
six?
Six नहीं है. One bounce है. Next game, if you
Four.
want, we can put it to hard pitch.
अभी expect ही मत करो. That's nice. Oh,
Oh,
inside
inside
edge.
edge यार. That was the same
This
place.
remind this dude. This reminds me of final.
हाँ वही बोल रहा था. वो same place मोहम्मद आमिर put the dive of his life. उसको 2
Yeah.
करोड़ भी दे दो वो रियल लाइफ में नहीं करेगा बट डीएनयू में करेगा वो.
That is good. Good.
ऋषभ पंत
Good
18 of
catch.
13.
Have you noticed that Hardik Pandya is swinging the ball really nicely?
हाँ
He's reverse swinging it.
लग रहा है.
I feel that the League Masters have scored more runs on singles and doubles than the previous game. That is good shot. 4 runs. Yeah, they're playing too much of it.
Pull shot again. Two. Push for two. No, they're not gonna push. Karen Pollard,
Plays a reverse sweep.
steady increase.
Last 2 overs. Now this is the moment to remember.
Shot यार.
Can this be the first?
Shot यार.
Oh,
Pull shot in the gap है. हाँ.
Oh
Shot यार.
man, I think. Oh no.
Kalpit sir.
Oh, a shot.
Karen
One more
Pollard.
boundary.
Shot यार 4.
Look,
हमारा burden reduce हो रहा है.
dude, this whole innings is such a surprise for me. That's 4.
Yeah. He's gonna score. Look at this. That's a boundary as well. देखो. Oh no.
One bounce.
One bounce यार. I thought that was a.
They somehow are like finding fielders very well. दो छक्के भी मार दें तो this is less than 120, which is very good total to chase, I would
I
say.
think Pradeep has said it. 110 के आगे रुक जाएंगे लगता है. What a
Still, they are scoring singles. I don't understand it.
shot यार Rishabh. Come on, that's a
might
4.
be.
Oh,
अरे!
क्या फील्डिंग है भाई.
Oh wow, this fielding wins you games, man.
अरे
This
क्या रनिंग
fielding-
क्या है.
I don't know what's going on. क्या हो रहा है ये? Sehwag a little bit
Disappointing.
disappointing. Pant has batted well, but he could have batted he could have scored more. So let's go. Stark is gonna ball to Quinton de Kock. Thunders have to chase 110.
Oh, that's a good ball यार. सही है. Oh, outside edge यार. This is good bowling.
Edged it. Rohit Sharma needs to do something. Needs to prove us wrong. Let's see.
Oh, out है. Out है.
He edged it, man. He's gone. Batsman that Thunder Shiva had.
अरे यार रोहित शर्मा man, of all of them रोहित शर्मा is gone. आज तो बहुत पिटता है यार, but he's got a wicket. That's so cool.
Another edge.
Oh, so close यार. Oh, that's a good ball यार. What a first over man.
I have to say, really, really good bowling.
हाँ.
5, 6 only of first over.
हाँ.
That was also Trent ball, by the way. He also gave like 5 runs. Malinga is too red to change to brown or something. That's
Oh, that's
shot.
a good shot यार.
It's only Shiba. Shot.
4 यार.
बहुत
He gone! Oh my god. Oh, what a
timing
catch.
on that.
Catch
Kane
of
Williamson.
catch of the match so far or tournament. ईशान किशन आ गया अभी.
In trouble, double trouble. 2 wickets lost, 13 only in 2 overs.
Shot यार straight down the ground.
Then
Going for 4.
that's 4.
He was picked up by this guy. Oh, shot यार. It's going for 4.
Oh, this guy is batting well. Like, कौन है भाई तू इधर आ?
This ball.
2 runs ball.
Hooked away.
In the that's 4.
4. And they went to the finals. So yeah.
Batted well in this over.
Mali.
Oh, nice one.
Full shot यार.
In the
4.
gap. Future of India has to carry Thunder Shiba on their shoulders right now.
Let's see if Umer has jinxed it.
Oh,
Jinxed
I
it.
think, man, this is gone. Gone.
Umer
gone.
has
Yeah.
jinxed it 100%. Future of India is on
अरे
shoulder.
भाई.
बोला next ball out.
4 overs, man. Only 29. That's the lowest power play score.
Oh yeah.
I think I was telling that probably.
LMS has a shot here. Four.
Not for.
LMS, just be on the chat. You will be asked for your next bowlers. Keeper. कौन है कीपर? ऋषभ पंत है ना?
Yeah.
ऋषभ पंत है विकेट कीपर. 72 of
Hardik,
32 balls.
dude, Hardik Pandya has 0 runs off 4 balls.
देख अभी चौका मारेगा. Your jinx is working 100%. देखो. Oh, he's gone! He's gone!
Bye.
अरे हार्दिक पांड्या एंड रोहित शर्मा 2 डकआउट्स. एक गोल्ड मेडल और एक ब्रॉन्ज मेडल फॉर इंडिया. वाओ, थैंक यू गाइस. नेशन वहां पे प्राउड कर रहा है, तुम लोग यहाँ पे डीएनयू में डकआउट पे डकआउट. या सुनील नारायण आ गया फिर से.
Already, Sunil Narayan आ गया.
स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट गाइस. शाकिब एंड
This
पोलार्ड
is
यार. तो अभी शाकिब आना
Shakib is
चाहिए.
next
उसके
and
बाद
next.
पोलार्ड एंड शाकिब इज आल्सो फाइन आई थिंक.
Yeah, I was also interested to see the feedback on this.
हाँ.
Is it like breaking the rhythm of the game or is it okay?
Are you
liking
okay? बढ़िया है. It's really great. Wow, positive feedbacks everywhere. Bravo is gonna
Nice,
dance.
nice. Cool.
Want this feature for every 2 overs? ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता यार.
फिर आप बॉलर ही चेंज करेंगे.
हाँ.
सिर्फ uh,
यार.
come on guys, do something. Narayan played first. अरे running man.
आउट है.
भाई ये क्या हो रहा है यार? थंडर शिबा क्या हो गया भाई?
अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. सिमुलेशन में सेम हुआ था, इसलिए सिमुलेशन मत करो मेरी जान.
ओए,
Inside edge यार. I think
Wow, I
Umar
was
did a
thinking-
good job in not revealing the modifier.
Our plans is not working.
Oh, yeah.
AI भी कह रहा है भाई मैं भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड करूंगा. तुमने ही टेका लिया क्या अनएक्सपेक्टेड का?
But it's okay. एक bowler तो आ गया, which he wanted.
Yeah.
एक bowler तो आ गया, so that is fine.
Hmm.
60 runs of 23. This looks like a Mount Everest, yaar. Oh, that's 4, yaar. That's 4. That's the kind of guy he is. Oh, that's
We
gonna
could
be.
also abuse the umpires, by the way. 4 runs. Can they change the game?
52 of 20 balls. कौन है? Loki is getting smashed, man. Oh, gone! Good point, Prateep. I was praising Loki. I was dissing on Loki. उसने wicket ले लिया. That's a good.
Dude, this is so one-sided. I am so disappointed.
ऐसा बोलते ही चौका. Thank you, Umar. Wonderful. Karen Pollard. Oh, so close, yaar. 48 of 17. Come on.
Look at this swing.
That's 4.
Four.
That's 4. Trent Bolt 4 मार रहा है. Which is not, we can't see. Trent Bolt का, if you notice in real life cricket, उसका stance बहुत awkward है. This would be an ideal situation for Wasim Akram, है कि नहीं?
Definitely. That's
I think
he always batted in these situations. Actually. Yeah, he's a bowling all-rounder. Wasim Akram.
AI will give bowling to Lyon and Shakib in the last 2. अच्छा.
अरे-
Oh, gone. No, shot. नहीं. No.
Mandela आ गया भाई.
Nelson Mandela is back. I'm sorry, any South Africans. I'm sorry, but Nelson Mandela is a great man.
Thunders, you need to do a lot of homework after next round, man. After this round, because you have to come back, man.
Come. I mean, now we are getting to see the unexpected sides. मतलब new sides. That's a good shot. अरे towards long off, यार. That should be 4. Is it 6? Yeah.
Sorry.
पंत की तरह वो भी like outside edge यार, cutter. I am screwed now. Silent Indian gamer thinks he still might lose the game.
But
नहीं.
it's even then, I don't think. Well,
out है.
but
out
last
है.
two is like after actually
खत्म.
batting well.
हाँ.
Picture अभी बाकी है.
Picture अभी बाकी है.
Okay, Nathan Lyon cannot concede 30 runs, of course. So
नहीं यार, थोड़ा डर का माहौल है अभी. Oh, good stop. That could be the out है.
अरे-
out है. क्या कर रहे हो यार? He's in. बच गया. बाल बच गया. लायन को बॉल दे दिया. पार्लियामेंट में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना.
तुम politics कर.
Shot again. Is that going to be
Too
4?
little,
Too
too late for Thunder Shiva.
गीला पीना चाहिए.
President 39 missed calls.
हो गया यार. Congratulations to Silent Indian gamer. Wow, what a twist. My prediction came true.
Yeah. Oh God,
Yeah.
this team is lit.
और यार
They never. I think they never turned up. So
four.
probably.
Congratulations to
Yeah.
LMS. So,
But
match review by Umer.
this time the odds were in League Masters' favor. They won the toss. They elected to bat first. Again, the team that they won the toss and batted first won the game. So a trend that has to be taken into account. Wasim Akram started well, like he gave away runs. Actually, after the end of first innings, we thought 109 might not be enough, but Thunders unfortunately weren't able to face the wrath of Malinga and Stark. Both of them didn't even let them score at all. First over went for 5 runs, then Malinga came, took 2 wickets. Never let Thunders open their shoulders. Unfortunately, not enough. So League Masters got their first victory in the first game of the TNU Season 2.
So,
Yeah, yeah. And Player of the Match award goes to Rishabh Pant.